Hello and welcome to a new unboxing video. We will be presenting the TR42 temperature control equipment, which has been in the market for over 20 years. This equipment was designed for the measure and control of the temperatures in industrial or commercial environments. The applications are controlling the temperature of dry or cast resin transformers, heating or cooling systems, among others. In addition, the equipment has an RS-485 communication port which allows remote connection to the device. Now, let's see what is inside the product box. Inside the box we have the product and the accessories for the installation on the door. On the back of the product we see the connections, relay outputs, PT100 sensors, power supply, communication port, and the output for the 420 milliamps version. On the top, we have the identification label with the model and serial number. You can see the diagram of the relays and the diagram of the PT sensors. You can also see the communication port polarity and the power supply range. In the front panel we have two displays, one with 3 digits and one with single digit. 5 push buttons and LEDs to see the status of the equipment and sensors. We also have a QR code that you can use to reach our documentation and our technical staff. On the side of the product, you will see the predisposition of the accessories for the door mount. When requested, we can also provide the PT100 sensors. Those sensors are 3-wire sensors with the ground shield. The sensor is protected by a metallic cylinder and is also covered with a thinner insulation material. On request, we can also provide the junction box with push-in type connectors. Thank you for your time and see you in the next video.